Hey, Michael Shuster here. When you buy something at the mall or online, you get a receipt. And that receipt can prove that you bought it and prove that the item is actually yours, or in other words, that you own it. If you buy something electronic or something that has a serial number, you can also register the serial number online with the vendor or the manufacturer in your name. But who actually owns a property, a house or a condo or a parcel of land? Well, that can be verified by something called a title search. You or your real estate lawyer can do a title search with the Land Registry Department. Now, I have a question for you. Can someone steal ownership of your property? In other words, can they have the registered owner on title transferred into their own name? And can it be done without you knowing about it? Surprisingly to most people, the answer is yes. The same way that someone could steal a valuable watch or piece of jewelry from your drawer, and you wouldn't notice if you don't ordinarily wear that watch or jewelry, someone could steal title of ownership of your home without you knowing, because you don't ordinarily do title searches on your own property. When my clients buy a property, whether it's their first home or they're moving into another home, when it comes time to meet with the real estate lawyer before the purchase, they're often urged to buy title insurance. As a very important side note, if you bought your property a long time ago and you didn't buy title insurance because it may not have been available that long ago, you can and still should get it for your own protection. Now, title insurance is totally different from mortgage insurance or property insurance or homeowners insurance. And by the way, if you want to know more about property title and title insurance and 4 ways that it can protect you from what we call title defects that could cost you money, be sure to check out my other post called Title Insurance, What is it and 4 ways it can save you money. Now back to my original question about if or how someone can effectively steal ownership of your property. Unfortunately, there's a problem that really isn't well known, but it happens more often than people realize, and that problem is called title fraud. Title fraud involves a fraudster assuming the identity of a property owner and then transferring property title or ownership of your property into their name without your knowledge. Now, title insurance will provide you with coverage for losses as a result of title fraud, including your legal expenses that might be incurred for you to defend or reclaim your property title. Properties can also be susceptible to mortgage fraud. This happens when a stranger takes out a fake mortgage with fraudulent signatures and then they register their new mortgage against your property. So, how do you get title insurance and how much does it cost? You can purchase title insurance through your real estate lawyer. It's not something you pay monthly or even yearly for. It's a one-time upfront type of payment. The price is based usually on the value of the property. So for typical resale condos, it can be approximately $250, $350. For a $1 million purchase, for example, of a house, it might cost closer to around $900. Now please remember that title insurance is not a buyer's insurance or a seller's insurance per se. It's actually, in essence, what I call a homeowner's title insurance. So it's for protection against property title and property title related risks or defects in property title. Now, like I said, as a buyer, your coverage can protect you if you discover problems long after your purchase date. As a current homeowner, if a buyer files a claim or lawsuit against you for issues related to a property that you sold them, then you have homeowner's title insurance. If you want to talk more about title insurance, I'm always happy to chat. And remember, when it comes to real estate or any other experience or process in life, if there was a better way, wouldn't you at least want to know about it? If you have questions about buying or selling a home, mortgages, investing in real estate, selling a matrimonial home in divorce, or anything else real estate related, just send me an email with your questions and I'm happy to answer them. My email's mike@TheREguy.ca. It's always strictly confidential. There's never any pressure or obligations. I just love to talk real estate. And please be sure to share the video just in case this might help someone else. Thanks for watching.